Hello, family, friends, and everyone. How is your Saturday? Here is how I spent mine.
Here we are, here am I. Let me get started.
So, early today, about 6:30 in the morning, while majority of people, and probably you too, were sleeping, I sneaked out quietly and began to head straight to my farm. So I was carrying this big hoe over across my shoulder, and some of my neighbors, or rather a couple, husband and wife, they saw me and kept looking at me till I came close by. The moment I passed in front of their house, they were like, if they didn't see me closely, they would have said that it's not me, that they are surprised to see me carrying a big hoe. Okay, but they are not the first. Actually, I bought this big hoe yesterday at very expensive price. It shows you how serious I take this project. So my way back, so many people kept looking at me. I knew they were surprised too. But does anyone need to be surprised? And especially my own team people. Farming is God's assigned blessing and everlasting inheritance to the Tiv nation. This is our culture, our way of life. This is how we feed, clothes, take care of many of our pressing needs and expenses. This is how we prosper and also secure our bragging rights. Yes, I may feed and do certain things as an educated and working person, but I really don't have to go to the market all the time and buy some things before I can eat or cook to eat. What do you think? So here was I. You must already have heard that at the beginning of this video. Here was I, very much ready and prepared. Just before I'll commence this work, I had to buy myself something to eat. Of course, I had taken some food items and water with me too. If it was in the village, believe me, things would have been a lot better. Because there, even if you are hired to do this work, the person you are working for will cook for you the kind of food that is cooked at festivals. So you find yourself enjoying a big bowl of pounded yam with full chicken soup or dry fish soup, depending on what your employer can afford at the time. So I just gave this background so that you can understand why I prepared with my own foodstuffs. But I was not yet done, because after eating and starting to work, I knew I would definitely need to eat again as the hours go by. So I quickly took a break and went to a nearby shop. It was about 9:15, and the shop owner had still not opened. When I asked, I was told that she will come, but she was yet to open. So of course I had to go to a nearby supermarket down the road. Okay, that's a little farther than the shop I went to. And there I got myself some mineral drinks and biscuits. At least I would take those between the hours. But I kept thinking, oh, so this is the meaning of this song, this popular Nigerian song, Time Na Money. Yes, for many well-to-do Nigerians out there, 3,000 naira may sound very small, but to a petty trader it's a big deal. And she lost that money because she wasn't around when I came by. Okay, so I was back to my farm and farming seriously. Then I discovered I was feeling thirsty often. I went back to the same small shop owner close by, hoping the shop would open this time. It was still not open. That was how I had to walk to another small shop to get myself both sachets of water and a can of mineral drink worth 650 naira. So you can see the other shop owner that closed the shop, she has missed both big and small money, where I don't really know what took her away. But whatever she's chasing, if it's bigger than that or is what she desires, I pray she gets it. I'm saying this here because I want us to learn a lesson from that too. Indeed, as they say, time na money. And so this was how I continued the farm work till the end. I thank God for the much I've done today.